Ayan kami dito mga kaibigan. Hanap kami dito ng pangligo na para sa bata. Ayan. Pangligo kasi nga ito dito, itong mga bata na to, lagi itong nag-ano, punta sa ligo-ligo. So, bili kami dito ng ano para pangligo nila. Short ni CJ. Short mga kaibigan. Ito yung isa. Tapos ito, pwede silang partner dalawa. Pwede silang partner na dalawa. At ito. Ayan, dalawang short. Pagpilian lang natin. Ito, maganda din kasi ito. Ang malakihan. Ito yung set ni CJ. Isa. So, kunan lang natin si CJ ng ito. Maganda din to. Kaso lang, pag mag-change ng diaper sa kanya, mahirap ito. Pero maganda siya. So, isang onesie. Tatlo lang ang ating anuin kay CJ, mga kaibigan. Ito din, Batman. At ito, pwede na sila. Yung Batman, walang partner yung Batman eh. Maganda kasi long sleeve. Huwag na lang ito kasi nga maganda long sleeve talaga para sa araw.
This is not CJ. This is not CJ.
Ito, long sleeve ba to?
Mommy, this is not CJ.
Ayan. Tapos sapatos ni Krishana para sa garden.
Mama, this is meshed like CJ.
We don't need that one, B. Meron na ako napili. Sandal ni Krishana. Ay, mga kaibigan, tagpa $5. At saka Peppa Pig, oh. Para sa garden. Tapos pang school shoes ni Agoy-Agoy. School shoes. Ano man yan? What happened? Huwag kang malapit. Where? Huwag naman. Huwag ka lalapit doon. Oh, go find a toy right there. Go find a toy right there. Sige na, huwag ka lalapit kay CJ. Ito yung school shoes ni Agoy-Agoy. Huwag ka lapit kay CJ, te. Huwag ka ng toys dyan. Go find the toys right there. Ito isa. At saka dalawang set. Dalawa. At saka ito. Kasi long sleeve din siya. Alright, CJ. Sana yung ano nito. Ay, maganda itong short. Maganda naman itong short. Hanapan lang natin ang short ng ano, pair. Ayan. Maganda kasi itong short na to. O, stretchable. Okay. Ate, nagkuha ka na ng toys? Wala ko rito. Ano yan, CJ? Ah. That's yours. Okay, ito na. Okay, punta natin si Krishana. Ayan, doon lang siya. Meron tayo dito sa party. May mga bag-bag din sila. Goy, bring your ano. Bring it. Krishana. Bring this one.
Mama!
Goy. Goy. Krishana. Krishana, get the bag. Get the card, please. Kaya mag-ano na ta. Ay, si Dada Chris, oh. Look, he's Dada. Nagsumbong. Say hi, Dada. Say hi. Hi, Dada. Oops. Yeah, he got that toy.
She just hurt me.
She wants this?
No, I just give that to CJ.
Yeah.
Oops. No, don't grab that. Dito na si Dada.
It's from Incredible Hulk. Back him up so he can't reach. No.
No, don't grab.
No, 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 no.
Okay, let's go that side, babe. Let's go that side kay marami ditong maabot si CJ. Okay.
Yes,
Si Shana. Excuse, come on. May mga dumadaan. Okay.
Okay, the restroom. I use the restroom.
Oh, they have it all the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Oh, I did.
I'll be back.
Kishana, come here. I want you to try this raincoat. Kasi wala yung raincoat. Come here, babe. You need to try the raincoat. Okay.
No raincoat.
Yes, you need raincoat. Wala tayong raincoat, okay? Try this. Raincoat ba to?
No, no, no.
You need to try a raincoat kasi
No, no,
you want this
no,
pink
no.
raincoat? Look.
Yeah, I want that. This is like Minnie Mouse. Cute Minnie Mouse.
Hmm?
Oh, this one.
That one? Maganda ito, Goy, oh. Ayan, oh. Cute. Okay.
Try this.
Yes, please.
This one.
Ganda tong raincoat na to kasi nga, lalo na sa school. Pabaunan ko siya ng raincoat.
Got it.
Okay, try that one. Me see the size. Maganda nga ito na raincoat, B. Little me pala to.
Look, it fits on
Me see how much the price. Oh, no, no. That's 24. That's 2 years.
Oh,
You need a bigger one. 2 years old yan.
true.
How about these?
No, that's little. This,
Hindi siya interested.
no, that's not pink. White.
How about
one?
ito? Uy, wow. Ang ganda. Maganda ito, Goy, kasi may mga ano. Look, oh. No, that's hot. That's for north. Hindi yan pang dito. What I mean is raincoat. Uy, wow. Nice. You will like this. Mura lang to. Ali, ali, ali. Krishana, come here.
Mama, look. Alphabet.
Krishana, come here.
Many alphabet.
Krishana,
Many alphabet.
come here. Try.
Oh, God.
Try this.
What's
You're gonna try kasi when you go to the garden, you already have raincoat. Okay? You don't have, ano. Come here. CJ, stop CJ.
Nice.
Babe, come here, honey. Have a here, face mama, babe. Oh, wow, see? So when you go to Disney, you have raincoat like this. Here's Dada.
Dada.
Dada, what do you think?
Dada.
Oh, wow, cute. I thought she had a baby shark one.
That's short, babe. That's already 1 year
Oh,
old.
yeah, she grew out of it.
She grew up already on that one.
Mama, look.
So maganda to, matma.
There's a game.
Look, Christiana.
Yeah, you gotta figure
Okay.
out how to make this better.
Hmm? Which one?
Make this.
Oh, okay. Christiana, come on. Take it out. Take it off.
Where's the adjustment for this thing?
Goy, come here. Take that off now. Oh, there's a pink one, pero malaki. Nice, oh. When you go to the garden, meron ka na din ganito. Okay?
She might need to wear that when you're leaving here.
Why, it's raining now?
Clouds are coming.
Really?
Not raining. That's going.
Say hi, Dada.
I did.
Hi, Dada on the live.
Hi.
Pararating lang ni Agot ni Chris. Hmm?
You gotta figure out how to save
Daddy, Mama. Daddy, look. You got saved like this.
She see a lot. She see a lot of toys.
Oh. Yeah. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Look at that bicycle, the same as CJ, but girls version.
Yep. Ayun mga kaibigan, oh, mayroon ditong mga ibang klase pa na mga raincoat.
Oh, nice.
Pero yun lang talaga yung napili. Maganda sana ito, kaso si Christiana kasi subukan ko nga to. Something this is better. Looks like this is better quality.
How much is it?
Like this, like a blue one.
How much is the other one?
Blue one.
This is like a good quality.
Bless you. Bless you, CJ.
Come here, Christiana. Try this doggy. This is gonna be your favorite doggy. Look. Look. Nice. Come on. Try, Kay. Oh, wow. That's nice too. Maganda kasi siya mga kaibigan kasi may may ganito. Elastic. Okay. Come here.
I'm gonna take that.
Yes, hold on. You got a zipper first, okay? Zipper.
Hey.
Try this on. There you go. Kasi pag umulan doon, you have it. Oh, wow. Perfect. Perfect. Ayaw talaga nilang magsukat. Ayaw magsukat.
I like this one.
Which one you like? This one or that one?
This one.
Mainit din kasi din to na rin.
Bella. Bella.
Pero maganda to. Ayaw niya to. Okay. Ito daw yung kanya, mga kaibigan. Ito daw yung kanya. Di, sige. Maganda din to kasi mahaba. Alright. Sana sila. Yeah.
She getting this doll?
What doll now?
Thing in her hand?
No, she's just playing with it. You can play. I see some people here playing too. You can touch the toys. It's okay. Uy, guitar?
Can I try it?
Yeah, you can hawak.
Puzzle.
You see puzzle? Ito? Ayan, pwede ka ditong mag-ano ng mga kahit anong puzzle pala to. Oh. Nilagay nila sa mga plastic dahil pang ano ba? Hindi mawawala. Ito pa rin. Ganda to yun, no? Tawan-tawa siya. Baka may kakita ka pa ng guitar. You like that? Tapos pag ano na ni Christiana, hindi naman yan masasayang kasi pamimigay din naman natin. Wala na ibang guitar, Goy? Hanap ka dito na ibang guitar. Hanap ka. Baka mayroon pang iba. Merong ano, doggy, oh, loko. Ayan, oh, loko.
Yeah, we have that at home.
Hmm?
We have that at home.
Mm-hmm.
That's already, now give me that.
Mm-hmm. Ano yan, CJ? She like that guitar. Missy B, magkano yan, B? Doggy. Oh, that much your shirt, Dada. How do you do that? Need battery?
No, good.
Oh.
That one's gonna have wings moving.
Oh, that's cool.
No, CJ. He's like, I want out.
Na, gusto na lumabas si CJ.
He wants to play.
Just give him some like this.
No. How long are we gonna
He gonna get tired. Okay, magbayad na tayo.
What's that guitar?
May mga bag din dito. Mga bag. Tinitinda nila. Yung damit ni CJ ngayon, dito yan namin nabili. Kahapon. Dito mga kaibigan. Ayan. Dito kami kahapon ni CJ. Nakabili na kami kahapon. Yung kay Christiana na lang ang wala na sapatos. Oh, there's on sale. There's on sale dito. Oh, tingnan natin. Wallet. Mga toys. Okay, magbayad na tayo. Okay mga kaibigan. Ayan, bye-bye po. Magbayad na kami.